Can you name these 10 most beautiful birds in the world? Number 1. Peacock. Number 2. Scarlet macaw. Number 3. Mandarin duck. Hit the like button if you got the first 3 correct. Number 4. Resplendent Quetzal. Number 5. Keel-billed toucan. Number 6. Atlantic puffin. Don't forget to comment your marks below. Number 7. Victoria crown pigeon. Number 8. Bird of paradise. Number 9. Hyacinth macaw. You are super smart if you get all 10, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Number 10. Golden pheasant.